Hello Starlight, my name is Eclipse the Elf, and if you're new here, I like to turn nature into real life creatures, where I'm currently creating a comic based off of them. What if I told you that a certain mushroom could improve your memory and reduce anxiety? Let me introduce you to my character called Yama. I wanted to create a very wise and charming character who has a very calming nature about them, and knows the answers to life's various challenges. This is where Yama comes in. He lives deep in one of the forests in my story. He lives amongst his own kin where they all have long white hair similar to the lion's mane mushroom, and they live around loads of tree bark or chopped trees. They wear their hair in locks and add golden hair cuff accessories to enhance their look. Like the rest of his kin, Yama prefers to wear loose and airy clothing so that he doesn't feel restricted. This is also for his flexibility in yoga and dance. As you can see here, he loves to be grounded with the earth, so he rarely wears shoes. If you happen to bump into him in the forest, he will offer you a chamomile tea. This is to help with stress relief and for its lovely floral taste. And I like to have chamomile tea for myself as well, as it really helps with stress relief. I'm following his role as a librarian, where I'm also reading a lot of books that are non-fiction, because he has a vast amount of knowledge where he has collected for centuries all of what he's learned throughout the world, how things work, and to also navigate life efficiently. Also, because as you gain more knowledge, you feel more confident in yourself. Yama will be teaching my characters about the importance of being present, and that life is a journey and opportunities are everywhere. I'm adding afro texture lines into Yama's hair. This is to give the look of the original lion's mane mushroom reference. For the colours, I'm using earth colours such as yellows, browns, and rusty reds. You very rarely see him upset, and that's because he's incredibly optimistic. So he'll be challenging all the characters' thoughts. So anything negative, he'll be turning them into positives, and a lot of the characters might be very stubborn to thinking positively because of what they've been through. He has the ability to age shift, so he can go from being a child to a teenager to a very old man, and he has lived for centuries, so he knows everything about the world, the ins and outs, all the maps. So with him age shifting a lot, he'll be giving them a lot of perspectives to think about, so they don't feel so overwhelmed, and to stay present and enjoy every bit of their life's journey. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love to know in the comments about any characters that have given you some influences into how you live your life. And if you've missed any of my previous characters in the minor roles, please look through this playlist, and I'll see you in the next one.